In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add hyperlinks on LinkedIn posts. If you've ever wondered how to make your LinkedIn posts more engaging and interactive, you're in the right place. While LinkedIn doesn't allow direct hyperlinking in posts, there's still a way to make your content stand out by using mentions. Let's dive into it. First things first, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to enter your username and password to access your LinkedIn feed. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar LinkedIn homepage where you can catch up on news and updates from your network. Now, let's get started with posting. Right at the top of your feed, you'll see an option that says Start a Post. Click on that button. This is where you'll create your new LinkedIn post. It's an opportunity to share something insightful or professional with your network. Once you've clicked on Start a Post, a new window will pop up allowing you to type in your description. This is where you'll craft the main content of your post. Think about what you want to convey to your audience. Are you sharing an article, a thought, or maybe a professional milestone? Whatever it is, make it compelling and clear. Here comes the interesting part. To add a hyperlink-like feature, you can use the @ symbol, often called the @ mention. By typing the @ symbol, followed by a person's name or a company, LinkedIn will provide you with a drop-down list of potential matches from your connections or LinkedIn pages. Click on the desired person or company to mention them in your post. This action effectively creates a hyperlink to their profile or page. It's a fantastic way to acknowledge colleagues or highlight companies you're discussing. After you've crafted your message and included any mentions, review your post to make sure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied with your content, click on the Post button. This will publish your content to your LinkedIn feed, making it visible to your connections and potentially even a broader audience, depending on your privacy settings. Finally, take a look at your published post. You'll notice that the names or companies you mentioned are now hyperlinked. This means that anyone who views your post can click on those links and be directed to the respective profiles or pages. It's a neat way to increase engagement and direct traffic to certain profiles or companies you're highlighting. And there you have it. Although LinkedIn doesn't support direct hyperlinks in posts, using mentions is a clever workaround that can add interactivity and depth to your content. It's a simple yet effective method to enhance your LinkedIn presence and make your posts more engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy networking on LinkedIn.